Contents List by Drawing Order panel, turn on visibility for cities and the interstates. Return to the List by Selection panel. In the Select Layer by Location tool, change the Input Feature layer to Cities, and set the Selecting Features to Interstates. Change the relationship to Within a Distance, and set the search distance to 20 miles. Run the tool and view the results. In Contents, right-click the Counties layer and choose Selection, Clear Selection. Right-click the Cities layer and open the Attribute table. Notice that the bottom of the table says 3641 out of 3905 selected.